Welcome back all Samsung fans. If you thought the 100x space zoom on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra was great, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is going to blow your mind. In fact, it could have the best zoom on camera so far. That's according to a leaker ICE Universe, which usually pretty clued in with all things the Samsung does. The Samsung Galaxy S22 range isn't likely to arrive until early on the next year, but by then it will have to compete head-on with the iPhone 13 and Apple's camera upgrades. While we don't know whether the zoom level will increase, the Galaxy S22 will apparently offer significantly bettered zoom images. According to Iceberg, it's all thanks to collaboration between Samsung's electromechanics and semiconductor divisions. The goal is to offer a new continuous zoom system. You heard it right. Apparently, this new zoom system will utilize a periscope lens unit that can freely and continuously move between 3x and 10x optical zoom, which will then reduce the need for the camera to make any digital adjustment after the fact. Consider yourself recording a video and your camera moves in a filmy scene. Like, it's a great video for shooting all your TikTok videos, all your vlogs, because if the camera is moving slowly, you don't have to move it by your own or use an editor. It does this thing by itself and perfectly, so smooth that you won't feel the difference. For comparison, the Galaxy S21 Ultra has a fixed periscope lens which has to rely on digital trickery to make it look like you physically zoomed on, and that inevitably leads to lower quality zoomed images. Likewise, the majority of other phones with periscope lenses use the same sort of system, so it's not clear how much extra quality we'll get from the S22 Ultra's new free moving lens. It may be enough to give Samsung's a boost in the camera department, as Android rivals like the OnePlus 9 Pro have really stepped up their game. This isn't the first upgrade we have heard might be coming to the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Rumor is that the phone may get a 200 megapixel main lens, and Samsung has gone so far to tease that prospect on social media. A separate leak says that Samsung is partnering Olympus on the Galaxy S22. While resolution doesn't automatically equal quality, it does suggest Samsung has grand plans for the Samsung's Galaxy S22 Ultra's photography capabilities. So no doubt we'll be hearing more about it in coming months, and we all are eagerly waiting for the upcoming S22 Ultra. And if you're waiting and why you want to buy that upcoming S22 Ultra and why you want to replace it, please make sure to leave a comment below, and we will catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.